everyone, welcome back to Sally Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlamini from the 10th to the 12th of March 2025 on Monday. An uncontrollable Khuzwayo threatened to overthrow Vuma's plans to take over. Velepi doesn't know which side to choose when Zeni struggled to take responsibility for what she did to Themba on Tuesday. Khuzwayo's shattered heart find comfort in Nengelosi's arms. Velepi is overwhelmed with guilt when Zeni's attempt to make amends with Themba falls short when he reminds her that she is the source of all his problems or troubles on Wednesday. Despite the breakup, Kwenzo does all he can to support Usibongile. However, Usibongile doesn't make it easy for him. Nengelosi finds himself or herself saying things about Phetheni that makes Samge salivate for revenge. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.